Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum and welcome back to Mr. TECHFOX. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create a group chat using Messenger. If it helps, please consider subscribing to this channel. So first of all, open the Messenger app on your phone. Here I'm going to open it. And now to create a group, normally click on this icon. And from here, you have to choose group chat. And now choose only 2 of your friends or more. Here I'm going to choose my first friend and I'm going to choose another one. And now you have to provide a name for your group, for example, test. And finally, click on this create button to create the group. So if I show you here, you can see that the group has been created. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.